Hey guys, what's going on? It's TCARP. My wife's here, hanging out. We're all in our jammies. Yeah, we're all in our jammies. We're looking out the window. Baby, what's the temperature right now?
19 degrees.
19 degrees. So, wanted to show you guys something that has been really just priceless right now. It's this Big Buddy heater. How long have we, talk to me real quick.
Yep.
How long have we been using this? Just tell me your thoughts on it, because a lot of times, we preppers, we get all wrapped around the axle about our gear. You're pretty excited about this one. What's your thoughts here?
I think we've had it since middle of December, like maybe 2 weeks before Christmas, and we bought it, and it's just easy, and it's efficient, and it burns clean, which was important to me because I get paranoid about fumes and gases and unclean air. So having that burns propane inside clean was important to me. And it's just easy. It heats up this 650 square foot area that we have downstairs very easily. If you turn it all the way up, it'll run you out.
Yeah, you'll see a lot of you'll see what we've done. It's about 19 degrees. Like I said, my wife said, we've got some things around the doors and just kind of some towels around the windows, just trying to insulate this just a little bit better. But this thing has been just great in a pinch, and what we really do like about it is it's, we couldn't afford a wood burning stove, and I think it was like $8,000 to put one in here, and I wanted some off-grid source of power because last year they shut the power off on us several times. They had rolling blackouts. So I was like, we need something. This is what the internet said was a great idea, and it truly is. Let me show you guys how it works real quick. So you've got your propane. You've got your propane tanks right here. You've got one there and one there, and they swivel up, and you can unscrew them. Makes life easy there. It's got its own lighting system. I'll show you guys how. I'm gonna turn it off real quick. So it's got its pilot system, so you just kind of turn it off, turn the pilot light on, and then you just can turn it to low, and it lights one of these little panels here in just a second. There we go. So it lights that. You can do, it should last like 10 or 11 hours on low. I think like 6 hours on medium. And then high lights the second panel, and boy, it'll run you out on the second panel. But it lasts about 2.5 hours on two 1 pound green tanks there. So I like to keep it at medium. That way I feel like it's lasting a little bit longer. It's got, if it tips over, it'll turn itself off. If it gets too much carbon dioxide, it'll turn itself off. So again, this pretty cool little thing. Right now, really valuable when it's not, like I said, 19 degrees, 4 inches of snow, and if they shut the power off. So thanks for watching, guys. This is my kind of little review of the Big Buddy heater. Get you one. They're great. TCARP signing out.